Hi guys, today I will be playing Build a Boat for Treasure, and I have this sick boat that cannot be beaten. Look at this sick boat. I usually play with the boat with my brother, my friend's brother, and my friend too, as well, and when my cousins are not. So this is like an OG boat. This was my first boat I ever built in this account, with this account. It's the OG boat. I just love this boat. I spent another time on it, and I just love how it's just like really big and spacious. Cause you guys can see it coming to life. Those little holes won't be there anymore because it's still loading. But yeah, guys, today's sponsor, I know watching Cash and Nico, today's YouTuber sponsors. So make sure to go to Cash and Nico's channel to watch them. Okay, now it's done knowing. Guys, look at this. Look at that now. Okay, and this thing cannot be beaten. Just watch. I'm gonna set sail. No. Oh my god, I'm pushing the boat, but the boat's being pushed. Okay guys, we're going on the first one. The doors are backwards, by the way. Come on, let me in! Let me in! Let me freaking get in my boat, my little boat. Let me get in. Guys, you won't let me get in. Let me in. Finally, bro. Oh my god. I was fun. I survived in here before, but I'm just gonna go in here. I'm just kinda stuck, so I just don't know what to do. Oh guys, also, if you wanna see me play Bed Wars, you could see me play Bed Wars in Minecraft. Because I enjoy playing Bed Wars. I've never uploaded a video of me playing Bed Wars, so this will be a first time. So, yeah, guys want to see me upload some Bed Wars videos, and just say Bed Wars W. Put that in if you want to see me do some Bed Wars. Oh, someone's in here. I'm going to need to go soon. Guys, I'm only going to do one round, sadly, because I don't want this video to be like 30 minutes long, or like 50, almost like an hour long. I do not want them to be that long. So I'm only doing one round. Okay, come on. Let me get down. Hit the bunker. Hit the bunker. Hit the bunker. Let me hit the bunker. Let me get in the bunker, bro. Let me get in the bunker. Let me get in. the freaking mobile phone. Dude. Okay. Okay, come on. Should worry about that. Hey guys, I don't think I might. I know I'm gonna make it. I didn't even know if this was baseball, my favorite. Guys, type in as well Dodgers W if you like the Dodgers, because I know the Dodgers. Guys, it's okay if you like the Padres too. It's okay. My brother likes the Padres, and my mom and my entire family. Besides my aunt, she likes the Dodgers too. Boom. Back. Honestly, this is actually like, they're not even breaking besides right here. Right here. My friend's room that I built for him is actually standing up pretty well. Boom! Oh no. No, not this one with the cannons, no. My friend's room is getting demolished. Look at his room. Friend's room. Did I see my brother at first? Not sure. Oh nah, my other room is getting demolished. Cause that's the room that you see is actually the first piece of the boat that was built. So, yeah. No! Oh my god, I'm in. Is this acid? Here's acid. Oh no. And then I think the red one's like fire. I'm very close to the end. Ah! No, the boat! No! That was very disturbing. No! The boat was flipped. Look my thing, my choice still there on my table. No! Oh my god! Yeah, no, I feel like I might not make this. No, there was an explosion. Oh god. Yeah, they're making it this time. Oh no, is that the tunnel? Guys, if you don't know, that room right there was my friend's brother's room. Oh god, no, it's this master. No, it's in my butt. Oh yeah, it's in my butt. Oh no, it isn't, because we need to go through this. Haha, let's go. Guys, I wonder will I make it? Yes. Guys, I'm actually gonna make it. Oh my gosh, sorry about that. But nom nom nom. This thing is like demolished. How is Valkyrie still there? I don't know. No! Wait, I died! Oh, guys. I thought that was only going to do one round, and that was one round. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And it's been Josue, and I am